Good morning, guys. It's early. It's really early. I've only had like an hour of sleep, but guess what? Going to Monterey for Car Week.
It's early as flapjacks.
He wanted to too. He wanted to cuss. Thank you. There he goes.
Ow,
He gets head, loading everything up. So plan is take off out of Baltimore, head out, and first connect in Texas.
Nope.
No.
Midway,
It's Midway, Chicago, Illinois, and sit there for about 2 hours. But you guys are along for the ride, so you guys still see.
No, we're not sitting there for 2 hours. It's a 55-minute layer. We have to get off the plane, get to the next gate, and board.
See, he knows better than I do. I'm just along for the ride, having fun.
Yeah, if you were in charge, we'd...
Oh well. All right, guys. Well, guess we'll see what's going on.
This thing is dangerous.
You need to close the hatch because that definitely did not close.
It did close.
Now it closed.
No, it closed before.
No, it definitely didn't.
Fight me!
It should be interesting. You guys should enjoy the ride.
12 seconds later.
Not close. And I don't know where I put my keys. Oh, I found the keys. Hold on.
Step the first is done. I found the keys. Right?
Mm-hmm. Come on, Ben. We're on a time schedule, aren't we?
Would you shut up? I was up before you.
I know, and here we are waiting on you. Isn't that
Yes,
so much
because,
funny?
Phil, you're stressing me out. I can't deal with this right now.
Chop, chop.
You gotta look back over me. Oh, there you go.
So got through security, and well, it went pretty well, except for Ben's luggage got checked.
Nah, just my camera bag.
Oh, well, camera bag, luggage, no kidding. But
That they were supposed to.
we're gonna get our daily breakfast in. Chick-fil-A.
Most important meal of the day.
All right, guys. So after our long-waiting Chick-fil-A, and they did have a bunch of stuff. What Ben got? Was that hash browns too?
Yeah, hash brown. What'd you get, Phil?
So much fun. So you didn't have a bagel, so I went
on,
for
Phil.
the English muffin.
Okay. Look at all that cheese. You gotta get all that cheese too.
Oh, this looks great. And I got my hash browns.
They already saw my hash browns. They don't need to see your hash browns.
No.
Hold on, wait a minute. I don't understand. I was in front of you in line. I had the first number.
I know. Now you're behind me. Thanks, guys. Right in Chicago Midway. Ben's a little behind me. Keep it up. So onto our connecting flight. I'm gonna run there. Once we jump on the plane, I'm gonna grab the laptop and I'm gonna start to edit. It's gonna be a long week. Cold start with McLaren 675LT. And we gotta wait for Cars and Trees because he's slow.
So full today, I'm gonna go somewhere else.
Oh, this is a good ride on the first time.
Alright, let's make a U-turn here then.
This is wild.
You like it?
I love it.
I even passed the entrance because it's so close. Gave them a little space.
So this is a brand new car?
No, well, yeah, but the clear belt took them like a year and a half. I want to show you the air brake. You can actually see the air brake coming out like 90 degrees, basically, all the way up.
That's wild.
Oh yeah, now you can see it because it has to go about. Alright, we're just gonna park here for some photos and then come out. Is that okay? Is that okay? Thank you so much. We're like neighbors. Alright, we're together. Yeah, they don't care. So this is an empty spot.
Nice. My first ride in a 675LT.
There you go.
First ride in McLaren.
Hope you liked it.
I've sat in McLaren, the James 570S, but I've never ridden in it.
Okay. There you go.
Definitely.
All right.
Well,
Yeah,
enjoy it.
I did.